Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're enjoying my conversation series. And if you have heard it for the first time, go watch my other videos on YouTube and I'm sure you're going to like it. So guys, I'm going to start with another conversation session today and I'm going to choose a topic which is very common. We all go on vacations, right? We all have a favorite destination. During our childhood days, we all go to our grandma's place, right? That is the very fond memory we have, right? Going on summer vacations. During summer vacations, we used to go to our grandma's place. A lot of us do, right? So that is how we enjoy our holidays. And we used to be very excited also about that. So likewise, we all have some favorite go-to places or destinations. Like once in a year, we all want to take a break and we do something, right? So here today, I'm going to talk about that one thing which my family loves to do. So guys, welcome back. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Well, today I'm going to talk about my go-to destination or go-to place when I want to take a vacation. So it's like in my family, what we usually do is once in a year, we gather in one place, either at our hometown or at my brother's place in Bangalore. So we do that or my place. So once in a year, what we do is we plan either our parents' house or my brother's house or my house. We all get together at one place and we spend our holidays or we spend our vacation. That is a thumb rule which we all follow, right? So this is our family rule basically. So once in a year, we have to collect together. We have to come together at any one place and we really have a good time there, maybe for a week or 10 days, whatever is possible. So probably it's like a week's time or 10 days, not more than that, because we all are busy and it's difficult for us to spend more time. Of course, we want to spend more time with our siblings and with our parents, but then it's a little difficult nowadays. So my last vacation was in Bangalore at my brother's place. So what we all did, we all collected there, we all went there. So my parents also came to Bangalore. Me with my family, we also went to Bangalore and we stayed there for a couple of days, like a week or 10 days maximum. And we had a lot of fun there. We spent time together, we went shopping, we went eating, we went for movies, we visited a lot of places in that duration. And my daughter was small, she was just 2 years old, so it was a little difficult for us, but then we tried to manage it because, of course, we don't have much time and we have to, spend that quality time with everyone. So we tried to manage everything. So my daughter was also very happy there. The society was pretty good. I liked the society. The people were very nice. And we used to take her to the park also. There was a park in the society. So we used to take our daughter to the park and she used to play for some times there. She enjoyed her time there and I also enjoyed my time there with her. During weekends, we went to popular places or popular joints and we did shopping and we had good food there. I love dosas and idlis there. Trust me on that. Dosa, idli, vada. I'm a big fan of South Indian food anyways. I do cook all these things. But I really enjoyed the taste of South Indian, like typical South Indian dosa and idli and vada. So I liked the taste there. I enjoyed that meal there. And apart from that, I like the kind of charts also. The, samosa chaat and the papri chaat and all those. I like the kind of charts also which they prepare. It's very different from North India, but I really enjoyed that. I like the taste. I don't know. I mean, I just like the taste. I enjoyed that stuff as well. The fried stuffs, the bondas and the bhajias and the charts. So I enjoyed that. And I enjoyed the filter coffee as well. I like filter coffee. So the filter coffee was quite good there. So in terms of food, it was really nice. And I would like to mention one more thing. We went to a mall, I don't remember the name of that mall, and we went to the food court to have our lunch. And we ordered this chicken biryani from a restaurant there. and it was very good. It was superb. I really liked it. It was delicious. We all enjoyed that biryani. I'm pretty choosy about biryanis. I don't like biryani everywhere. I prefer home cooked biryani, but then there are very few places where I like to eat biryani, and that was one of them. We just tried that and it just hit the spot. I was quite a big fan of that biryani chain, and the next time I'll go, of course, I'll go and have biryani from there, and I'll shoot a video and give you the review as well. Yes, guys. So that biryani was awesome. The food was great there. I liked the people also. The people were also good, very friendly, very helpful. Yes, coming to the negatives, it was like the traffic was a huge issue. I mean, traffic is no doubt or definitely a huge, big problem there. I didn't like the traffic. It takes a lot of time to reach from one destination to the other. And from the airport to our house, it took 2.5 hours for us to reach from airport to our house. If you are traveling, you have to forget that 2 hours is something which you have to give to traveling, like one way. And if you're going far, then 2.5, 3 hours, whatever it can take. So it's not like in half an hour you'll reach a place. It's very difficult, and it depends on the timings also. Sometimes the traffic is less, so you can reach on time. But you have to be cautious of the traffic, and you have to leave the place beforehand. If you want to reach somewhere on time, you have to take some time in hand, and then you have to start your travel, or you have to plan your travel. So that is one demerit or one disadvantage I personally felt, that the traffic was quite bad there. Nowadays traffic is everywhere. It is a problem everywhere, but then yes, probably I think Bangalore is a big city, so that is why it takes a lot of time to reach from one place to other. That is also one thing, but otherwise everything was quite good. It's a nice city. The weather is quite good there. The weather is very good there. It's quite pleasant around the year. When you go outside, of course, the sun is strong, so you feel the heat, and the nights are cold or pleasant. So you don't find it very difficult to stay there. It's not very hot, it's not very cold like the weather in our North India at my parents' place. So weather wise, it's quite good. It's very pleasant. I enjoyed the weather there. I enjoyed the food there. I enjoyed the places which I visited. There are a lot of places which you can visit there, and we didn't had much time, so we planned accordingly, so that we have to take care of our daughter as well. We preferred to go to the malls and go for shoppings and shopping areas and all. I enjoyed the shopping also there. The stuffs were quite good. Of course, I shopped a little there as well, and the experience was pretty cool. I had a good shopping experience there. My mom enjoys shopping. My mom enjoys shopping, and she also shopped, and we had a great experience. So this was how we spent our last vacation in Bangalore. Now accordingly, you can also talk about your vacation, your grandma's place also. You can describe what you do there, how do you go there, what do you do there, how is the weather there, what you eat there. So lots of things you can describe about your favorite destination or your favorite go-to place, right? Or your favorite vacation spot, you can say that. So you can describe like this as well. You can go to, if you've gone for vacation in any part of the country, you can describe that also. So it just depends on you. It's just that you have to come up with a structure. You have to tell how you planned, how you go there, where do you stay, what do you do there, what do you eat there, how was your overall experience. These things you have to include in your conversation, so that people get to know the in and out of it. When you're describing something, they'll get to know, okay, you have done these things there, right? This is how you have spent your vacation. This is the idea of telling everything, right? If you describe everything about the weather and the food and shopping experience and what do you do there and how you plan and how you went there. So if you talk about all these things, then people will also get an idea of overall experience of yours. They will also experience it with you in a way, right? So that is why you have to be very descriptive in describing the situations or describing any event which has happened in your life, or any event which has taken place or which you have participated in. Like event in the sense, I went for a holiday, right, at my brother's place. So that was an event, right? That was a vacation, that was an event for me. So I described that event with you. Maybe you have your brother and sister, uncle or aunties, or your parents in the same city or in the same state, right? So you go and meet them, or if you meet them every month also, you can describe that experience as well. You can take one event and you can start describing about it. So guys, it's very simple. This is how you will get into the practice of having a conversation with people outside as well. If you start talking about these everyday things, these everyday situations, it will be easier for you to talk about it at length with others as well, because you are getting into the habit of talking to yourself about it or talking about that thing. It takes 10 minutes of your time to come up with something, a topic, or come up with an event or an experience and start describing that. Every single day we come across something or the other, right? If you go to your college, if you go to your office, you might have a lot of instances which you can recall and you can start describing about it, right? So you just talk about it. Start talking about it, guys. You have to talk, right? Without talking, you'll not be able to speak English fluently and confidently. So once you start talking, it will build up your confidence, it will build up your fluency, and accordingly you can go and gain that strength to go and talk to people about it. Okay, it will not be difficult for you because you are in practice of speaking about such things or such events, right? So guys, I hope you like this session. I hope you liked my vacation experience as well, and I'm sure you're going to talk about the same either with me or after me, or you can take that idea and you can start speaking on your own. This is the only way, guys, to be fluent and confident in speaking English. Start practicing and keep practicing. See you. Bye-bye.